another sponsor of BlizzCon. And what we've got here is a look at some modified cases with some really, really impressive stickers related to, you know, Blizzard and their series of games. So I want to give you a look at all of these Antec cases. You know, there's a Solid 2, Dark Fleet, P183V3 you can see here. This is the 1100. And yeah, this is one of the cheaper Antec cases, the 100. Some more really cool looking designs on there. This one doesn't have any design. This one has design on the front, so that's pretty cool. So, yeah, this has been like just part of the Antec booth here at BlizzCon 2011, and some of these decal sleeping cases are really cool.